Good day to you guys. I want to welcome you to this channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my valuable videos anytime I upload them. And for returning viewers, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. In today's videos, I'll be showing you guys how you can start affiliate marketing without paying a dime for free. Yes, from what we'll be having now, I hope you guys know what affiliate marketing is. If you don't know, affiliate marketing is just a process whereby you recommend a helping product to someone and you get commission for it. But from the definition we have on Google here, it says affiliate marketing is a process whereby publisher earn a commission by promoting a product or services made by another retailer or advertiser using an affiliate link. Very simple. Now let's say for instance now, for those that doesn't know what affiliate marketing entails, it's just by you recommending a product that you don't own, a product of the person to someone that needs it, and once you sell the product, you get commission for it. Now, you have a friend selling, let's use cell phone. You have a friend selling a phone. You don't own the shop; it's a friend that owns the shop, and you have someone that needs a phone, iPhone 12. So you have someone by your side that needs iPhone 12, and you now say, you have where you can get it for the person. So the seller of the products, the seller of the phone might agree to sell the phone for 10,000 or let's say 100,000 for instance, but you telling you that once you sell the product, you have a certain commission, let's say like 10% commission. So and you have a friend that needs the phone, so you now take the phone from that your friend shop, you sell it to the person that needs it. So you have 10% commission on it. You give the buyer, you give the seller himself 90,000, and you own the remaining 10%. So that's how affiliate marketing works. It just sells you recommend another person's products to someone that needs it, and once the person buy it, the seller gets his own money and you get your own commission. So that is that. As you can see from my diagram here, it's an affiliate, yes, blah blah blah. Understand? Affiliate is paid. You can see the arrow. See the arrow. This is an affiliate store. Customer click, but I will still show you the real fact and how everything goes. So in Nigeria today, we have different platforms that you can start your affiliate marketing with. You should know that we have the number one leading. We have Expertnet. We have Flenoflix. We have DigiStem. You understand? For me, I think this is my platform. This is my own account. You understand? This is my own affiliate dashboard, which is Expertnet. But to join Expertnet, you know how much it takes before you can buy the registration fee, the payout fee. You understand? But what I'll be showing you guys is how to get an affiliate marketing platform for free, and you get paid everything 100% and legit. So I just show you that Expertnet dashboard, but to get an Expertnet dashboard, you have to pay for the registration. You understand? So that is that, and this another one, DigiStem. You pay for the registration as well. It's not free. You pay for the registration. But what I'll be showing you is how to get affiliate marketing platform for free. You understand? So this is another platform, but you have to pay before you sign up to get that access. So the name of the account and website I'll be introducing you to is called StayCut.com. StayCut.com is an affiliate marketing platform whereby you can sign up, you promote a product there, and you get paid for it. Now it's very easy. As you can see, you see it here. Join StayCut. We give you product, website training. You need to start a full online business, and we pay you weekly for every sale you make. Claim your free account. No registration fee forever. We only earn when you do. You understand? Work on your laptop, your mobile phone, blah blah blah. Very easy. You see, you sign up. Nothing stress, nothing much. You sign up. As you can see, you provide your first name, last name, email and password, and once you are done, you'll be sent in your login details. To verify your email from your You verify account from your email. As for me, I've opened an account. Please, stakecut.com is the name of the website. Stakecut.com. So, as you can see, this is the account. I'll sign in now. Can you see it? It's an affiliate marketing platform. It's very easy. Then before we just move further, I'll just give you a little tip. Now, affiliate marketing, how you can get started. This is a new account. You see it? This is a new account. You don't have to pay. It's free. Let me explore the dashboard. Let's explore the dashboard. As you can see, if you have been online, you will know Caleb Buneka is one of the Ogba inside affiliate marketing. Understand? Then Joshua Umba, Abraham. This Abraham, he owns a course of Amazon ADP, and Chigozie. All these, I've known all these people from Expatnet, you understand, and they are the leading vendor here. But that doesn't concern you, understand. One of the reasons I like this platform will tell you the product that sells faster. But before going there, let me show you how to set up account. After you've signed up, you have to come down to the community. I think I have a mouse here. Let me just reduce the view. So, let me increase it back. Come down. These are marketplace. Marketplace means if you want to promote a product, it's just where you go to pick a product you want to promote. But before then, I want to show you guys how you can set up your profile. So let's click on profile. You see, these are the profile. Let me increase the view again. This is a profile. So you put in your first name, your last name, email, your phone number, you understand, your account number. You put everything here. All you just have to do is to go to this where your name is. You click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, you set in everything you need to set up. You understand? It's just easy and straightforward. Now let's go back to marketplace. So this is a marketplace. This is an affiliate marketing accelerator program owned by Caleb Buneka. The cost of the product is $50, and the commission percent is 50%, which means if you make a single sale of this product, $50, you are getting $25 for it. Now assume, as of this now, the exchange rate is like 1,200. So that means you are having let's even put the exchange rate for 1,000. You sell this product 50,000, you get your commission 25%. You understand? So that is that. And how do you now pick the product? Click on promote product. You see your link. This is your link. The link here. Just come to this. You click on copy. You understand? Once you click on copy, this link, you promote it. You have 10 sales. You know how much is your money like that. So this is the product page. As you can see, the product page. And the best thing, you can start this with your smartphone. Advertise on your Facebook. You see, Toyosi or this the other best partner. I've even forgotten his name. I still remember. You understand? This Caleb is doing fine was even on Qatar, the World Cup they played. So very young boy. So you can start your own affiliate marketing journey. And once anybody purchases from this link now, you get paid for it. You understand? So that is how to start your digital marketing journey. That is how to start. If they will show you. They will show you that okay, we have different products you can select from. Different products you can make sales. You understand? It's very easy, straightforward, and what you also have to do, digital marketing is one of the core factors of affiliate marketing. You need to have the idea of how to run Facebook ad. You understand? In my subsequent video, I'm going to show you guys on how to get started with Facebook ad, how to promote your product so that you can get sales for it. If you are still watching this program, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friend. You understand? So those are the. Let's go back to the dashboard. And once you make sales, the account will be credited. You understand? And you can request for withdrawal at any fucking time. You understand? So it's very good, easy, very straightforward. Unlike other platforms that you have to keep subscribing yearly. You understand? You pay for the newer. As you can see, we have money here. I'll just request for it and it will be paid to my account directly. So can you see it? Good best selling product. This is one of the things that is selling faster now. See it now. So that is how to get started for free. So no excuse for you that you don't have money to start affiliate marketing. This one you don't have to pay. It's good forever. I just came across this product and I have to share with you. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.